Hello friends, Julian here for Drops, and this is the Zero B.S. Home, a video series where we chat all things laundry, cleaning, and sustainable living. And in today's video, if you couldn't tell already, we are going back to school. Specifically, we're off to college.
I go here.
You go where?
Harvard. Law school.
Now, while I myself have graduated college quite some time ago, and I no longer need to worry about how I'm going to pass finals after only getting 2 hours of sleep from partying, studying all night, I'm your favorite homeboy for a reason. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite on and off-campus laundry hacks for every walk of life across your typical college student body. So pull out your notebooks because class is in session. Let's get to it. First up, we have our first time adult, and that is college freshmen. Attention freshmen. Why carry heavy plastic jugs of liquid detergent all across the dorms just to do laundry when Drops is known for its lightweight product packaging? Make it make sense. Also, these bad boys are recyclable, compostable, and can be delivered to you on campus. Get into it. Next up, we have off-campus roomies. Don't get me wrong, some of my best times in college was spent causing chaos around the dorms, but we all mature and outgrow communal showers. Or at least, I hope we do. And eventually find ourselves living large-ish in off-campus housing. For those lucky enough to have a dishwasher, and usually that means having roommates, then might I suggest sharing the love and buying in bulk. Both laundry and dishwashing detergent pods from Drops are available in count sizes up to 210 and 180 respectively. That's enough to last the entire semester, and maybe then some. Not to mention you can split the cost with your obnoxiously loud roommates who apparently don't know how to correctly load a dishwasher. We all know that utensils go in facing down, right? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Next on our student body checklist is the student athlete whose private tutor this year should be the new Active Wash formulas from Drops. As the latest addition to the Drops lineup, Active Wash was designed specifically for high performance and technical fabrics such as sports uniforms, gym clothes, athleisure, and yes, that includes sweatpants for those lazy weekends off.
I would just like to say that physical education in this school is a disgrace. Standing in line for 40 minutes is hardly aerobically effective. I doubt I've worked off the calories in a stick of carefree gum.
Of course, I can't forget the free-spirited liberal arts majors. For you visionaries out there, Drops collaborated with a like-minded creative individual that's fusing recycling with fashion. Each pocket on the Drops and Zero Waste Daniel limited edition laundry bag is handmade using Daniel's innovative and artful re-roll technique. No two bags are alike, and when you purchase this collaboration, you're supporting reduced textile pollution and fair labor practices. So feel good and look good whether you're carrying your laundry to the machine across campus or just going to the farmer's market. And lastly, on our trip exploring the different laundry habits of the typical college student body, we have none other than the color coordinated folks of all of our extracurricular involved students. Phew! That was a mouthful. I'm looking at you academic teams, on-campus clubs, and yes, Greek life.
We're going streaking!
Whether your campus colors are pink and green, purple and gold, or neutral like white, Oxy Booster Pods from Drops will keep your bright clothes bright and your white clothes white all semester long. Our color-safe bleach alternative tackles the toughest set-in stains and helps eliminate odors, all with the power of oxygen. Because at the end of the day, who wants to rep their team or club with a dingy looking t-shirt? Gross.
Ugh, as if.
So there you have it, the laundry and cleaning habits of 5 common college archetypes to help keep you so fresh and so clean all semester long. If you ever need a tutor on all things laundry, cleaning, or sustainability, make sure you subscribe to Drops here on YouTube and follow us across all of our social media. Also, head to drops.com to get all the school supplies I recommended in today's video. And while you're there, check out our new Cleaning Resource Center for a crash course on how to eliminate all of those random stains that college life is sure to bring. I'm Julian Thomas, your favorite homeboy, and this was Zero B.S. Home from Drops. Class dismissed.
Thank you very much.